In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable spell check in Google Chrome on your computer, ensuring your writing is polished and error-free as you browse the web. Whether you're drafting emails, writing reports, or just leaving comments online, having spell check enabled can really help in catching typos and maintaining professionalism with ease. To begin with, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is where we'll make all the necessary changes to enable spell check. Once you've opened the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small menu icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on it. This is your doorway to almost all customizable features that Chrome offers. After clicking those 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, you'll want to find and select the option that says Settings. This will lead you to a new page dedicated to all the different settings available in Chrome. On the left side of this new page, you'll see various categories listed. Among them, locate and click on Languages. It might take a moment to find it if you're not familiar with the layout, but it's there, and it's your next step to activating spell check. Once you're in the Languages section, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Spell Check. This is the area where you can turn on the spell checking feature. Look for the option that says Check for spelling errors when you type text on web pages and toggle it on. This simple switch is what will alert Chrome to keep an eye on your spelling as you type. Now, Chrome gives you a choice between 2 types of spell check, basic and enhanced. Basic spell check offers rudimentary spelling corrections and is great for those just looking for some basic assistance. But if you want a more robust tool that provides suggestions based on Google's advanced language models, you might want to opt for enhanced spell check. This option gives Chrome the ability to check more than just spelling. It also considers context, making it a more refined choice for detecting errors. Choose the version that best fits your needs. After selecting your preferred type, you're all set. There's no need to look for a save button. Chrome automatically saves these changes for you. With spell check now enabled, as you type away on any web page, Chrome will be there, helping you maintain that polished professional image. Enjoy this new addition to your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!